Krishna Mackenzie. I welcome you to visit Solitude Farm. Every week we have a bunch of things going on. On Saturdays at 11:30 there's a free tour where I take you around the farm and I show you what's going on, and you're welcome to stay and have lunch in the cafe. On Wednesdays we have the mini introduction to permaculture through exploring local food. And what I do is I take you around the farm and we harvest a lot of different plants, maybe 30 to 40 different plants, and we go back to the kitchen and we make salad, we make chutney, we make a range of different juices. Now, this is probably for me the most important workshop that we do because it opens people's eyes to the simplicity of permaculture. On Fridays, we have a soap making workshop where we teach people how to make a natural soap, but we use neem flowers and amla seed, papaya seeds, papaya leaves, soursop leaves. You know, again, it's valuing this diversity that really is represented by the philosophy of natural farming. In December, I think it's the 18th, 19th, 20th, we have a 3-day intensive permaculture workshop. That's going to be like, you want to start farming, you want to start a community, you want to really make some progress on your road back to nature, that's the workshop for you. And finally in December, we also have an Eat Local Week where we invite you to come and stay on the farm, and every day in the morning we will harvest the things we need for breakfast, and then we eat the breakfast together. We'll also then help prepare the lunch, and in the evening around 4:35 again we harvest and we start preparing the dinner, and that's for 6 days. So we really try and make an attempt to create a space where we're only eating local foods for 6 days. And what does that imply? What does that mean for us? In between those cooking times, people are free to go off and do other things. If you're at the farm and you want to volunteer, that's also fine as well. But there are a lot of things happening on the farm and some music stuff going on Wednesdays, and you know, keep in touch. We have an email, solitudepermaculture@gmail.com, and if you, I think there's a link here below. If you click on that and you just send us an email, we'll send you a poster of what's going on in this week, you know, a recap of what I've just told you. Please come and visit us. Cafe is open every day, and we also have the basket service. You know, nature not going anywhere. Hit the notification bell, subscribe. Namaste. We'll see you again soon.